Hi everyone. Hope everyone's had a good beginning to their week so far. Um, so I have for you here the big brother to the lock that I picked in video number 19, I think. It was an ASSA Desmo 6, and this is the ASSA Desmo 8. There are 8 sliders and 2 sidebars. This is a cam lock, but these come as a couple different formats. Mainly cam locks, though they're mainly used in casinos on gambling machines, but they're also used in other high security applications. So this is what the key looks like. It's got that squiggly slider line down the side. And then that V cutout right here is just for the key retaining feature of this lock. And when the plug turns, the sidebar retaining springs, the sidebar springs, have little T-pins in them, and the T-pins protrude into the keyway into this little cutout here, so you can't remove the key. And it allows for these locks to use biddings where in normal circumstances the key would be able to be removed, but they remain key retaining and high security because of that. So that's about it. So this lock, for some reason, well, not this one, I've never picked this one before, but another one of these 8s that I have was way more difficult than the 6. With the 6, I was able to actually feel the difference between the true and false gates, and with the 8, I was not able to. I had to rely completely on vision, staring down the keyway and trying to determine whether the slider's moving a little bit more or a little bit less than it was before. So it was definitely a task. I'm hoping, since I've already picked it once, it won't take quite as long. Well, I don't even know if this thing has the same bidding as the other one. It may not. But either way, let's see if we can get this thing opened up. This is not the correct key for this lock, by the way. It's just the same type of key. Oh, by the way, there are 2 different keyways on this lock, which is very interesting because the keyway is just a wide open hole. But on the one keyway, the left shoulder here is lower than the right, and that's this keyway here. But there's another keyway that's the opposite, where the right hand side is a little bit lower than the left. Not a big deal, just wanted to mention it. But either way, alright, let's try to get this thing opened up. So I'm going to be using a homemade hybrid pick here to manipulate the sliders, and a homemade tensioner made out of a very thick wiper insert in the top there for tension. So I have this light behind the lock here so I can kind of see through it and hopefully aid with telling whether these things are in the correct gate or not, but no idea how well it's going to work, so we shall see. Alright. Now normally with these, one side will bind before the other, so I will normally just work one side at a time. Just find whichever slider's binding the most. Yep. Alright, so it's probably going to be the bottom here. That's in the gate. That's in the gate. That's in a gate. And that's in a gate. Alright. Number one seems like it's set. I'm not sure here. Let's see. Oh, sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to do something horrible here. Can't see. Alright, hopefully this doesn't kill the video. Alright, number two seems loose. I think it's in the correct gate. Let's see if I can lift number three out of that gate. Pop him into another. And he seems very jiggly. Alright, let's try number four here. I think I might have gone a little too far with that one. Maybe not. He actually seems alright. Alright, let's go to the top here. Slider one is not in the base position. Okay, now it is. Yeah. A lot of movement out of that first one there. Oops. Second one hopped a gate. It's still binding. So it's gotta be in a false gate. Let's see. Oh, 1, 2. Alright. Oh, alright, that seems jiggly. Into a gate there. I feel pretty solid. Let's back off and try to go one more. Oh, I think I lost that. Okay, we just fell into a gate. It is jiggly. The core didn't move, but let me see if I can set this last one and then we'll go back. Right, that was a lot of core movement. Oh man, okay, let me go one more gate with this guy. Oh, okay. Alright, we're open. Sweet. Oh, wow. Sorry about that. Let me get this light back on. Okay. Alright, so we are open there. So I wanted to show you last time the key retaining feature with this thing. So I should be able to lock this back up and then open it right back up because those sliders are not sprung. So if I use the longer end of my tension wrench here, the core won't actually turn because of those key retaining pins. Then we just back it out a little bit and it'll turn. Alright, so this is turning into a long video. Let me get this thing gutted for you. this. Try to get that off first. Get in there. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. There we go. Alright, we have a clip back here. Let me try to rotate this to where I can get this clip off. Oh, you know what? I think if I go here, I should just be able to pull it straight out. Nope, not yet. There we go. Come on. Alright, that flew like 20 feet behind me. I'm never going to find that again. Well, alright, at this point I can lock this thing back up because the core will just slide right out. Alright. So here is the sidebar. Oh, need better light here. That is what the sidebar looks like there. And then there is a little T-pin right here. That's what protrudes into the keyway. And we have our sidebar spring here, which I don't want to lose. I lost the spring to the other one. Alright, let's drop that other sidebar out. Okay, let's start with our sliders. I'm going to start on the left side and say 1 through 4, or 5 through 8, I guess. Sometimes these are easier to get out than others. Alright. So there is the core. A sidebar channel on that side. Oops, sidebar channel on that side. Some of these have drill protection, hardened inserts here, but these are all made out of case hardened steel. So the whole thing is basically drill protection. Alright, now on the pins. So each of these pins has one true gate and 2 false gate, or sliders, I'm sorry. And there are 6 different number steps. So this here is a number 5. Let's see if we've got a 4. This is a 4. This is a 3 right here. This is a 2, and then this is a 1 right here. So the only one I'm missing here is a 6. And a 6 will be like the 1 just upside down where the thin ring will be on the top. But there you are. ASSA Desmo 8. Alright, all. Have a good one.